Southeastern Public Library, and I wanted to tell you that you can now get our new Take-Home Storytime kit at the library, and the theme is It's Fall. So if you open it up and look inside, you will find stickers and a tree outline that you can add leaves to by using these colorful dot stickers, a bookmark with recommended books to read about fall, and a leaf. This is a paper leaf, but looks pretty, doesn't it? This one is yellow, but there's different colors. And on this sheet that's inside the bag, there are words to a song that we're going to sing right now. It goes like this. If you have your leaf, you can wave it in the air like it's falling off a tree. Ready? Autumn leaves are falling down, falling down, falling down. Autumn leaves are falling down and landing on our heads. It landed on my head. Now, this is a great song to practice learning the names of different body parts, so we're going to sing it again and have it land somewhere else. Ready? Autumn leaves are falling down, falling down, falling down. Autumn leaves are falling down and landing on our shoulders. It landed on my shoulder. Where do you think it'll land next? Autumn leaves are falling down, falling down, falling down. Autumn leaves are falling down and landing on our knees. Oh, it landed on my knee. Can I balance it there? Oh, it stayed. We'll sing it one more time, but if you sing it at home, you can sing it with lots of different things. Ready? Autumn leaves are falling down, falling down, falling down. Autumn leaves are falling down and landing on the ground. Oh, it's right there on the ground where they usually fall. You can get our Storytime kit at the library. Just ask us for the fall Take-Home Storytime, and you can get one. And we will be adding some more rhymes and songs and flannel boards that go along with the theme fall. So watch our Facebook or our YouTube page for that. Bye.